Welcome back, everyone. This is the Automation Mentor, okay? You've done the hard work. You've designed the pages, you've written the copy, and you've built the logic of your entire funnel. It looks great, and you're probably excited to share it. But hold on. Before you send a single person to this link, we need to run through a critical pre-launch checklist. This is what separates a smooth, professional launch from a frustrating one. First, we need to test every single step from start to finish. Open the funnel in a preview window and walk through it as if you were a brand new customer. Click every link, fill out every form. Make a test purchase. ClickFunnels makes this easy to do without charging your card. Ensure your customers land exactly where they should after buying. Next, how does it look on a phone? The majority of your traffic will likely be on mobile, so this step is non-negotiable. Check for any weird formatting, text that's too small, or buttons that are hard to press. Third, proofread. Read every single word on every page out loud. You'll be amazed at the small typos you catch when you hear them versus just seeing them. And finally, double-check your integrations. Is your payment gateway connected correctly? Are new contacts being sent to your email list? A quick check here saves major headaches later. Once that checklist is complete, you're ready to go live. Your funnel is technically already live at its default ClickFunnels address. But for branding, trust, and professionalism, you'll want to connect it to your own custom domain. This is what makes the funnel truly feel like it's a part of your business. You can manage all of your custom domains right here inside your main account settings. While the setup has a few steps, it's the final touch that makes your funnel ready for the world. So with your funnel tested and your domain set, how do you share it? Simply grab the URL for the very first step of your funnel. This is the link you'll use in all of your promotions. Now remember, a funnel doesn't work in a vacuum. It needs traffic. Your next job is to start sending people to that link through your email marketing, your social media channels, or paid ads. The funnel is the engine, but traffic is the fuel. And just like that, you've gone from a blank canvas to a live, functioning marketing asset. Throughout this series, we've covered designing your pages, setting up your offers, and now launching with confidence. The learning journey doesn't stop here. As you grow, remember to use the resources available to you, whether it's ClickFunnels' own knowledge base, our company's advanced training, or your internal support contacts. You now have the foundational skills to build and launch funnels. To help you get started, I've put a link for a free trial of ClickFunnels right in the description below. If this video helped you feel ready to launch, please give it a like and let us know your biggest takeaway in the comments. And of course, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss our next video. You're ready, go live.